Who is your target prospect? Soumya Shetty is saying, who is searching for opportunity? Who will respond properly? Oh, great. Ideal prospect is somebody who is responding. Nazreen is saying, my target prospect is somebody who is interested in making money. Okay. Absolutely. Rohit, you're right. Okay. Yes. Anybody else? Who is your target prospect? When I ask this question, who is your target prospect? Most of the people say the target prospect is employee. My target prospect is somebody who is who wants to make money. Somebody who is a student, housewives. Okay. People, just like example, I am in Dehradun. So people who are living in Dehradun. Correct? So, no, I understand that. Partially you are correct. But, there is one secret. Secret is which nobody tells you. Okay. Your target prospect is somebody. No, this is not your target prospect. Your target prospect is somebody, okay, who is partially educated. Okay, absolutely right, Varvinder. Target prospect is somebody who is partially educated about our business. Partially educated about our business. Example, very good. Rohit, he's written in Hindi. जो पर्सन खुद ही सर्च कर रहा है नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग कैसे करें. Somebody who is partially educated about our business, who has partial knowledge, who is just curious about what is network marketing. Somebody who is curious about what is Amway, what is Forever, what is Herbalife. And that person goes on YouTube and that person searches for network marketing just to make a decision whether this is right or wrong. Is this clear? So your target prospect is somebody who is already educated and who is already searching for your business. I mean, most of the time, one of the blunder mistake which we do is we take decisions in our business based on our bad prospects. Sometimes we think, okay, oh, these days nobody is interested in network marketing. There's so many businesses. Become a digital coach, start a YouTube, start something. Okay, affiliate marketing. Okay, drop shipping. There's so many business ideas. So why will somebody become a network marketer? Now this is a scarcity mindset. So don't take decisions based on your bad prospects. Always take decisions based on your best prospects. Now who is your best prospect? Somebody who is searching for network marketing. Somebody who has already read Rich Dad Poor Dad. Somebody who is already following Robert T. Kiyosaki. Because Robert T. Kiyosaki is always preaching network marketing is a brilliant business. Somebody who is already following Eric Worre, and Eric Worre says Tony Robbins, Eric Worre, Ray Higdon, Tanya Lisa, all these people are always saying network marketing is an awesome business. People who are following Sandeep Maheshwari, people who are following Vivek Bindra, all these people who are following these people and all these influencers, they are always preaching, they're always saying good about network marketing. So the operation, the surgery of this mindset has already been done by these influencers. Now they have millions of followers. People who have consumed their content, they're already positive about network marketing. Now they are searching for good companies. Now they are searching for network marketing on YouTube. Now you should be there. You should be searchable. You should be visible for this keyword, which is network marketing. This keyword, Amway, Herbalife, Forever, you should be visible at the top.